Okay, guys. So hi guys. This is Chloe today. I'm only gonna record for 5 minutes, cause yeah. So today Chloe and Iris went to like a concert. So yeah. You'll just get the tickets, VIP tickets. Iris and Chloe got a VIP ticket. Now they're gonna get. They'll get a light stick. So they'll just sit here in a bit, and they already paid. They already paid, so they can leave their VIP ticket anywhere. So yeah. Oops.